G'day guys, how they hanging? I'm back on the camera today because I've got a date with some identical twins and I'm excited. These puppies are off a V12 Jaguar and it gives me the opportunity to clean one up, make it look new, put it alongside the other one and show you guys what sort of difference we can make here at Bendigo Hydroblasting. So get on board, stay tuned. So here's a look at what we've got. We've got a couple of repairs or a couple of modifications done here. They're pretty grungy, as you can see. And we've also got a couple of these bits and a couple of those bits, so we'll be able to compare them as well. But yeah, as I said, they're a bit gungy, so I'll give them the full treatment. We'll pop them in the dry blast cabinet, knock all that really nasty, yucky stuff off, and then we'll wet blast it. We'll just do one at a time. And once I've done one, we'll pop it alongside the other one and do a compare the pair. Righto, let's have a crack. So we'll bung this bit in here and we'll start the process. So we've dry blasted that one. It's got all the crap off that. We'll pop that over on the desk. Now, just quickly, these have come from Sydney. Old mate Bruce, he's seen me YouTube videos and he said, I'm sending these down to you, Craig, because I like the look of your work. And he said, I like your attitude. Thanks, Bruce. And if you're wondering, you're not paying for the filming of this, Bruce. I turn the clock off when I start talking on the camera. Anyway, we'll pop this over here and have a look at the two of them. We'll chuck that one there, we'll chuck that one there, get them out of the way. I'll take the camera off that stand there, we'll have a look and see how it's looking. So there they are, there's a noticeable difference between the two, just straight out of the dry blast cabinet. Now, that finish there, it's clean, but not what you want on your car. So we'll wet blast that in a moment, but before I do that, I'll dry blast one of these and one of these and we'll pop them out and compare those as well. And just on a side note, you can see here where we've done a little bit of grinding work on them before they've come here. The same was on here. That's blended in nicely. Hopefully when they're wet blasted, you won't really notice that that's been done. But we'll check it out when it's done. Have a look at that day outside. It is absolute rubbish out there at the moment. It's freezing cold. Anyway, I've done those other couple of bits there in the dry blaster. Now we can get on to wet blast, and this is good having two of everything. It reminds me of that song back in the day. Two little boys had two little toys. And speaking of that song, I actually saw Rolf Harris doing Two Little Boys back in the early 80s. Okay, enough of the frivolities. We'll chuck this in the wet blasting cabinet. We'll see if we can mount the camera up on the window and give you a look at a bit of hydroblasting on the manifold. Okay guys, that's me with the hands in the gloves. Got the windscreen wiper going so we can see what we're doing. The first thing we do is turn the glass and water on, like so. Give it a few seconds to mix up down in the bottom and then we hit it with air. That's the air there. There we go, that's starting to look alright as it is. So here we go guys, here's all the stuff out of the cleaning cabinet. Have a look at that. Chalk and cheese, yeah? No, that's come up beautiful. Anyway, if you have a look where I talked about the grinder marks, the same as this over here, you can hardly tell there's been any work done on those. That looks lovely. Yeah, I think they're going to be happy with that. Here's the other little bits and pieces too. All coming along nicely, so we're halfway there. Oh, magic. And while I was doing that, look what's happened here. I've been shopping again. Give me a hell yeah in the comments if you want to know what's in the box. Anyway, we'll go over the rest of this stuff and we'll finish the job and get it packed up and sent back to the customer. There you go, guys. There's a successful outcome from vinegar hydroblasting. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Hype if you're able to. And I'll wrap this up, get it off to the customer, and I'll catch us in the next video.